Hi, friends! We have a new letter with us today. Let's say hello.
Hi, Miss ABCD. I am the letter C. Do you know the sounds I make?
Soft C says S, S, S. Hard C says K, K, K.
When O and W are next to each other, they make the sound OW. Say it with me. Ow.
OW says ow.
What do you think COW spell?
COW says cow, 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 cow.
COW spells cow. It's me again, the letter C.
C says k, k, k.
When A and T are side by side, they say
At, at. AT says at.
good. Now can you guess what CAT spells?
CAT says at, cat, cat, cat. CAT says cat.
CAT spells cat.
You're doing great. Spelling is so much fun. Keep going.
Hi, friends! I am the letter D. Do you know what sound the letter D makes? Go ahead, give it a try.
The letter D says D, D, D. The letter D says D.
Great job! Do you know the sound OG make when they are side by side?
Og. OG says og.
You're really smart! But do you know what DOG says when you put them side by side?
DOG spells dog. Dog, 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 dog.
Hi everyone! I am the letter M. It's so nice to meet you.
The letter M says mmm.
Did you know that when A and P come together, they make the app sound?
AP says app. MAP spells app, app, map, map.
Hi, I am the letter T. It is terrific to meet you.
The letter T says. When the letters O and Y are side by side, they make the OI sound. Can you figure out what T, O, and Y spell when they are side by side? Sound it out and see.
Toy, toy, toy.
You've got it, T-O-Y, toy.
Isn't spelling fun? Don't stop now. You're doing so great.
I'm the letter S.
Un. UN says un.
Sensational! So, do you think you can say what S, U, and N spell?
Sun, 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 sun. S-U-N spells sun. Thank you for watching, friends.